Okay, it's 10:30 Wednesday morning, the second day of the storm, and we're getting lake effect. So, yeah, it hasn't gotten any better. Yep. Here, let me try to move out here. Yep, it's really getting bad again. It's lake effect. Yep, there's a snowplow trying to plow around. Yeah, he's gonna get somewhere. Yeah, even the plow's having trouble trying to push the snow. Ah, it looks beautiful coming down. Look at that. Mother Nature. Alright, time to go back inside. Forget this winter wonderland. Yep. Sorry about that. Just keeps piling up.